Hey folks, this is immigration attorney Hassan Abdullah from the San Francisco Bay Area of the American Visa Law Group, and we're here to talk about right now Boundless Immigration. Now, maybe you found them on the internet and you're thinking of hiring them for your immigration case. I highly advise that you watch this video from beginning to end and then decide for yourself. What is Boundless Immigration? Well, if you search any immigration topic on the internet, you are going to run into content for Boundless Immigration. What's the backstory of Boundless Immigration? Well, Boundless Immigration was founded in 2017 by a Harvard MBA, Zhao Wang. And it's founded on the premise that is based on his personal experiences when he was younger. He's basically claiming that he went through the immigration process, and his story is that he found it to be tedious and going through attorneys was costly, and the immigration process was frustrating and a lot of bureaucracy. So he decided to create some kind of a platform which basically would allow people to handle their own immigration cases with some kind of automation software or service, and then at the end offer attorneys support for a review. And of course, it is not really the same as hiring an attorney. They're basically going to assign an attorney to look at your case, and I do not believe you're going to be establishing an attorney-client relationship. In fact, if you go onto their website, scroll to the bottom of the website, there's a very detailed preamble basically giving a huge disclaimer about how they're not an attorney firm and they're not going to assist you, and they're basically not having the liability or accountability of an immigration firm. With that said, why is Boundless everywhere? They were founded in 2017, and the thing is, when you come from a pedigree like Harvard Business School, you're going to have a lot of connections, and you're going to be able to tap into your network. And if you're able to convince these tech startup VCs, venture capitalists out there, you can get your initial round of funds. So in 2017, it hit the ground running. It took the internet world by storm. It got $3.5 million in funding. And what did it do with that $3.5 million in funding? Well, I would speculate to say that they created content. They created a lot of content. I mean, mass amounts of content. And with that content, it drove a lot of search traffic to their website. And with that search traffic, they're going to offer legal services that is going to be better than hiring a law firm. And claiming that what they're offering is more affordable than hiring a law firm. But I will have to disagree with that vehemently because, again, there is a third option if you actually ask for it at a law firm. And we're going to talk about that in this video. So how much does Boundless Immigration cost versus hiring an immigration attorney? Let's look at the cost, first of all, for a basic green card sponsorship with an adjustment of status, marriage-based green card sponsorship case. On a Reddit post in 2023, and if you go to our blog page, you can find the link there, an individual mentioned that Boundless quoted $3109, including filing fees. So they include filing fees in that total. So basically, filing fees, when that was posted, was $1225 for the I-485 and $535 for the I-130, making the total $1374 for Boundless Immigration to provide this support for your marriage sponsorship green card case. So that's the Boundless Immigration option. What about hiring an immigration attorney? The cost for an immigration attorney, usually they would quote you end-to-end support to prepare an application and submit it with full assistance. It would be, yes, $2,500 to $3,500 price range for that kind of service. So yes, Boundless is less than half the cost of a typical immigration attorney. But what are you actually getting with Boundless? What you're getting, again, has been kind of explained. They are giving you some kind of automation support. They're giving you some kind of guidance, which you can find on the internet, and pretty much packaging that, and then also offering attorney review service. Again, I don't believe you really establish an attorney-client relationship. I could be wrong, but you can contact them to find out. But again, read the preamble at the end of their page and your website. You'll see what I'm talking about, because they have to put that disclaimer somewhere. Now, what about option 3? Have you heard of option 3? Option 3 is very simple. And we can offer that service at the American Visa Law Group, very simple. You can contact any immigration firm, and a good number of them are going to say, sure, we could do that for you, which is attorney review service. And what you can do is this: instead of paying for some kind of software and some kind of solution where you can plug things in, just do a consultation with an immigration attorney. In that consultation, you basically can get, if you ask, they might charge you a small extra to get a instruction checklist. And in the consultation, the attorney will go point by point, all the things that you need in your application. And then you simply follow those instructions. If you're just reasonably competent, you should be able to do that. And then after you prepare it, you could send the scanned petition or access to the attorney to access your case and then review it. And they'll charge you much less. Not the $13.74 that Boundless charges, but something like $550, $600, $650, that range. And maybe you'll need 2 reviews, but even if you get 2 attorney reviews, you first of all get the peace of mind of being able to interact with the attorney. The attorney will review and even offer you a post-review session. At least that's what we would do. And it would be cheaper, a lot cheaper, and a lot better quality than what you would get because you have that direct interaction with an attorney that I don't believe you get that with Boundless. So, nothing like things like this have existed before, but to the level of funding and the level of marketing that this has had behind it is absolutely mind-boggling. And people are, should be aware. There is another third option. Those are my 2 cents. That's my take. Do your research for yourself. Go on Reddit, see what you can find. And, if you need assistance, contact us at the American Visa Law Group. We can also assist you in your case. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.